Hey. My wife picked up another cookbook for me. This one's the Cobb family cookbook. Celebrating the flavor of Ty Cobb and his family. I think this is going to be pretty interesting stuff. Ty Cobb, Tiger Great. Not known as a great individual off the field, but, we only get part of the story anyway, so. This is first printing July 2008 from Custom Cookbooks in Georgia. Ty Cobb was the Georgia Peach, so makes a lot of sense. How to Preserve a Husband by Maxine Cobb. That's pretty interesting. Oh man, be careful in your selection. Do not choose too young. When selected, give your entire thoughts to preparation for domestic use. Some wives insist upon keeping them in a pickle. Others are consistently getting them into hot water. This may make them sour, hard, and sometimes bitter. Even poor varieties may be made sweet, tender, and good by garnishing with kisses. Wrap them in a mantle of charity. Keep warm with a steady domestic devotion, and serve with peaches and cream. Thus prepared, they will keep for years. I don't know about all that. Maybe. Might be on something, Maxine. I don't know. There's a dedication page here, too. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Got all kinds of stuff. Appetizers and beverages, breads and rolls, soups, salads and stews, vegetables, vegetable casseroles, meat and main dishes, desserts, sauces, jellies and pickles, miscellaneous. Well, I'm a baked goods guy. So maybe we should just check out some bread. Quick mayonnaise muffins. Sugarless fruit nut muffins. Miniature pecan muffins. Sweet potato biscuits. Janet's cinnamon breakfast rolls. Those sound good. Raisin bran muffins. All bran muffins. Banana bread. Ripe banana loaves. My cats are getting into something. These are the things that happen. You try to record a video and the cats go and destroy something. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Where were we? Lemon bread, strawberry bread, broccoli cornbread, pumpkin bread, zucchini bread, cornbread dressing. I don't know why I started talking like that. Forgive me. I know not what I do. Yeah, anyway. We won't go through the whole thing. It's a photo of the 1905 Augusta tourist team, now called the Augusta Green Jackets, and Ty Cobb's third from the right in the back row. There. Alright, so we got salads. Is there other cool pictures in here? Maybe we should just be looking for that. There's Ty Cobb right there. Little baby Cobb. Little baby Ty Cobb. Ooh, the Royston Reds. I think that's who he was playing for when he was discovered. Pretty interesting. So every section there. It's a famous photo there. The Georgia Peach, first in Baseball Hall of Fame. 12 batting titles in 13 seasons, 367 lifetime batting average. Just crazy. 4,191 hits, 892 stolen bases, 55 steals of home. I want to see stats of like how many players he like spiked when he was sliding into bases. What other shenanigans he got into. Ty pays a visit to Shriners Hospital. And grand opening celebration of Cobb Memorial Hospital. Ty is sharing autographs with Royston's local youngsters. Looks like he might have signed that photo there too. Ah, rah. Swasses. It's a nice picture. Jelly and pickles. There's Ty Cobb. His family. And Ty Cobb in his late 50s boarding a cruise liner. Yeah, I think it's pretty neat. And we have lots of recipes to try. So we'll see how adventurous I get in trying to do some cooking content. I know Zach's talking about it too. I'd have to figure out a whole setup. But it's possible. Anything's possible. I think that's it. If I keep going, it'll just be babbling. So anyway, pretty cool book. Thank you, wife. Appreciate you thinking of me when you're picking things up. Anyway, we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.